As you may have noticed, due to some of the bitterness that is in my post, I am presently residing in Canada, but I'm originally from Jamaica. And that leads to certain tensions, if you will, in my life. And today I would like to address a particular tension that I'm experiencing, and I'm going to direct this thing to two sets of people. One, North Americans, and two, certain foreign-minded Caribbean nationals. And what I would like to say to you all is this: Swiffering is not cleaning. No, it is not. No. And I understand why Swiffering was invented, because it's a labor saving device. So you come up with something that is going to combine mopping and sweeping at the same time. But as anybody who has ever been outside know that you cannot combine mopping and sweeping, because all that's happening is that water is making contact with dirt, and that is just creating mud. So this is a Swiffer pad, right? I'm going to explain it to you, because me did have to figure it out for myself, because me could not figure out this. Did I go clean one house, right? Anyway, so these are the Swiffer pad, right? You put it on the bottom and want something will look like one broom, like one broomstick, right? And it have one little something with one fluid upon it. Expensive. Price of the fluid tunnel. Yes, it are. Anyway, so it have one little something on the front end, because and it go like 2 teaspoons of the fluid, and then you take this now and rub it up in the fluid, so and then magically your room or your house and whatever supposed to clean. Now, as you can clearly see, this is a giant maxi pad. You cannot clean your house with a giant maxi pad. If you trim off 2 inches off either side of this, it is going to be marketed by Always and probably have like a lemon press set. Now, like I ask you, what happened to broom and mop on them? Remember them someday? Broom and mop? Yeah, broom, mop, pan of water. In case you grew up in the land of Swift and you do not know what these things are, I'm going to put up a picture right here, so of a broom. Everybody must work. Okay, after this a mop. And now the pan of water. Work hard. So in time gone by, look, I'm not asking you not to go back to cook that brush, Me not ask somebody if you go on them knee with genie floor polish for clean floor. All I am saying to you is you cannot make a time gone by, right? You sweep out the house first. Then you take the pan of water, and then you put whatever you want in there. You put Fabuloso, you put bleach, all of them, something, anything you want from the house, smell cute and rare, you rub it up in the water, right? Then you take the mop now, and you put it in the water and you splash it around. So take out the mop and you rinse it out. Now, if you feel like you're dainty, you wear gloves. You wear gloves because you don't want your nail them get messed up, or you don't want to touch it because you're too cute. You wear your gloves, you rinse it out, you do so, mop the place, and then when you make about 5 passes now, you put it back in the water, you rinse it out again, and all of them something, you squeeze it out and you start. When the water get dirty, you fling it away. Because it is water that you're using and not a special fluid that was engineered inside of some lab where 2 teaspoons head can magically clean an entire room. You can't fling with the water and feel bad about it. When you're done with that now, you can sweep again if you feel like you're hype and you want the place to sparkle. Done. No. We have replaced all of that with this in a room. This cannot clean a room. When you cook on the onion and them something they drop on you walk on it and it crush out on the ground, this I go pick it up. This I go pick out the onion. When the pitney them go to do and run up and down and come in and the whole of the footprint them in the plate. This I go wipe it up. This can wipe up real dirt. No, it cannot. No, I'm not saying you cannot Swiffer. I mean, I say, for Swiffer because I don't want the Swiffer them people them come say, oh, may I try to take them down and them something. But Swiffering is made for tidying. If you never grew up with your granny, you probably don't know the difference between cleaning and tidying. Tidying is what you do on evenings or in the middle of the week. So, for example, you work at the bank, you come home, you take off your blazer and whatever, you put it down. Then you kick off your shoes and and you start. You sweep out the house a little bit. Like you might have do a little dusting and them something. You go in the bathroom because when you brush your teeth and the man and them something, you just look at the toothpaste, so everything white and them something, you wipe that down. That means that when your friend them come by now, your house look presentable even though the last time it was clean was on Saturday. And Saturday now, you clean. What does that mean? Cleaning means that you take away all of the furniture away from the wall and you clean out the kuro them around at the back side. You go up in all of them places here and you wipe out the cobweb them and them something there. You shine down the house properly. You take vinegar and newspaper and you do stuff on the newspaper, take the vinegar, you clean the glass or whatever. When you're done now, people come in your house, them say, yes, you come from somewhere good, and them know how to raise you and you know how to clean house. Swiffering is to tidy an abode. It is not to clean it. No. Not Americans. Some of the something them that is happening to now, Uno bring it up on yourself. Uno know say uno have disease there where we don't get out of the Caribbean from when. Uno know say even though we don't have nothing named healthcare system, we don't have some disease here where we not hear about again. Uno ever wonder why salmonella run where we don't know? We don't ever wonder why swine and avian and every type of animal flu just run rampant because we refuse to clean. We instead would like to tidy up on the place. You know, saying in Jamaica, you wash your hand when you leave your house and you do not need antibacterial stops in order to make it through the day. What the backside is antibacterial stop? Me just a walk down the hall. I'm just a say antibacterial something depend the wall. Everybody a do so, all of them something there. We go to the cash register anywhere we go, them have place for antibacterial. Why not so afraid of germs? And more than that, why so much germs about? Because una will not clean on the house. No. But understand say una first world and una very evolved and una past the time when we need to actually do any type of work. But house cleaning involve a little sweat and a little elbow grease. You are gonna have to do a little bit more than massaging the dirt down into the ground in order to get rid of it. Oh, no wonder why termite and them something there when it is on the affair change out on the kitchen cupboard and all of them something there every 3 years because when it does not clean for the sake of the children. Me not talk about nobody else. The rest of we are big people. We can't take the germ when we skin start festering for the sake of the children. Mop, broom, pan of water. North Americans and select foreign-minded Caribbean nationals. Do the right thing and stop the Swiffering and clean your goddamn house. Okay? Bye.
Dance on, man. You have to sing for the girls. You have to big them up.